Hello and welcome to the University of Gloucestershire School of Media booking system. Connect 2 is available 24/7 by going to the website mediaschoolbookings.glos.ac.uk/Connect2. On the homepage we have our opening hours and contact information, as well as announcements that has our forms that you may need while you're here, as well as our policies, links to camera guides and how-to videos, plus all the technicians who work at the School of Media here at the university. Click on the sign in button and use your S number and password to log into the system. When you are in, you'll see a new topic, Book by Category. Click on this. Here we have all the equipment that is available to you, and this will change during your time here at the university. In the centre we have a list of equipment that is available to you. On the left hand side there is the Categories tab. You can go through and search for specific items. You can also use the search bar at the top where you can search for specific words or generic words. Using the availability option on the left hand side, you can select dates of when you would like to book your kit, and Connect 2 will show you what's available. As you can see, most of the kit we would like is available, apart from the dado lights, and it tells us when it's next available. All the items have a brief description to help you find what you need. You can click on the title for more information. Here we're going to look at the JVC 650 and we can see when it's available, and when you scroll down you'll see frequently booked with. These items are suggestions of what else you would like to book when you're making your booking. Here we're going to look at the dado lights and we can see more detail about the booking and when they are available. When you're ready, click Add to Basket like you do on online shopping. Do this to all the items you wish to add to your booking. By clicking on the basket at the top, you can see what you have added and also change quantities and remove. When you are finished, go to Create Booking. Now you can see the calendar. Anywhere in white you can book, greyed out you cannot book at those times. We can see red on our calendar at the moment, which shows that the equipment is not available at those times. On the right, you can see date and time to collect and return. Go through and select the dates and times you wish to collect and return. Then click Update. You'll see a blue box appears to show your booking. Once you're happy, click Next. Now these are the terms and conditions. You must read through them and tick the box before continuing. Now we need some details about what you are doing with the equipment. Please make sure you include your module numbers and also a mobile telephone number. As for locations, please list all locations, even if it is just on site at any one of the 4 campuses that we have. Also include postcodes where necessary. Once you are done, click Next. Here is a summary of the kit you have requested. Now this is a chance for you to just check through to make sure you have everything you need before submitting the booking. Once you're ready, click Submit. Your booking is now complete. You have a booking reference number at the top left and an email is sent to you. This is linked to your student number, so when we scan your card, your booking will appear. When you arrive at the kit store, you must have your student card and you must be present. Whoever books the equipment must be the one who collects it and returns it. If you do have any issues at all, please don't hesitate to speak to a member of the kit store team or any of the technicians. Until then, enjoy your time at the University of Gloucestershire.